Okay guys, welcome to Heart Academy for October 19th, 2016. Using a school computer, which doesn't have a camera, so you can't see my face, which, probably is a good idea. Anyway, I'm going to do at least 3 problems from each page. So they're going to be the bottom 3. So for this side, I will do these 3. Okay. And I'll start with number 7, and then I'll do the 3 on the other side as well. Alright, so according to PEMDAS, I'm going to do what's in parentheses first. So I have 20 times 2, which is going to be 40. Bring down everything else. Exponent, which is 9 times 9, not 9 times 2, remember. That's 81. So this is going to be 81 plus 40. Okay, there is no multiplying and dividing left. So the last thing I'm going to do is add or subtract. As you can see, you have an adding. So 81 plus 40, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 121. Answer for this one is 121. Be sure that you show your work. Okay, moving on. Going down here. Do what's in parentheses first. 25 plus 6, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Bring down everything else. Okay, so parentheses done. Now I'm going over to the exponent. You can see right here you have 11 squared, or negative 11 and negative 11. Okay, which is going to give you positive. 11 times 11 is 121. You can do it that way. Bring down your minus sign, 3x, and 31. So next would be let's do orange, multiply or divide. You see you have a multiplication problem that's right here. So 31 times 3, that's 9. So that's 93 minus 121. Okay, so 93 minus 121. Notice my front number is smaller than the number I'm trying to take away. So I'll automatically know that my answer is going to be negative. And then what I'm going to do is take 121 minus 93. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 8. I'm going to have to borrow from here, make that 0. 9, 10, 11, 28. Answer here, negative 28. Okay? Now, going for number 10. Let's see. In a parentheses, 14 minus 16 is going to give me negative 2. Bring down the rest. There. Exponent, I have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Let me do that over on the side. So that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Times another 3 is 27. Times another 3, 27. Times 3, 6, 7, 8. 81. Ta-da! So I know now that this is 81 times a negative 2. 81 times 2. I know my answer is going to be negative because I have negative times positive. 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 2 is 16. So I have negative 162 for the answer there. So that's 3 for one side. And let me give you 3 for, heck, I might as well give you 4 on this side. Why not? It's kind of really easy too, huh? Okay, we'll just do it. Starting within a parentheses, 13 times 8, 13 times 8, 8, 9, 10, that's 104. Bring down the rest. Parentheses done. I'm going to now do the exponent, which is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 times 4, that's 16, times that last 4, 16 times 4, 6 times 4 is 24, 4, 5, 6, that's 64. So this equals 64 plus 104 divided by 4. Exponent is complete. Now says to multiply or divide whatever we see first. So you see this division. 4 will go to 104. 26 times. So this is 26. Bringing down which was left, which was a 64. So now you have 64 plus 26. It's 10, 6, 7, 8, 9. 96. 96, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I meant 90. My bad. Yep. Answer for here is 90. So 64 plus 26, you will get 90. Couldn't read my handwriting here for a second. Now I'll flip over to the other side. Okay. So, alright. I'll do the last 4 for the bottom. Here we go. I was just doing 3, but now here I am doing 4. Okay. So, with PEMDAS, right, I'm doing what's in the parentheses first. But notice you have an exponent in the parentheses. So you might want to figure that out first. 5 times 5 is 25. So really what you have here is 4 times 25 plus 16. Now you can finish what's in the parentheses. 4 times 25 is 100 plus 16. As you can see, this answer should be 116. All righty. Next one. Do what's in parentheses first. 15 times 4 is 20. 4, 5, 6. That's 60 altogether. Bring down everything else. Okie dokie. So after, remember parentheses, you do the exponent. That's 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So you know that this is going to equal 8. Bring everything else down beside it. Okay. Next is multiply or divide. You see division. 8 will go into 96. How many times? Don't know. Don't feel like figuring it out. So let's just go ahead and use a multiplication chart. I'm looking for 8, 96. 12 times. Okay. So that's telling me that all this is 12. So now I have 12 minus 60, right? 12 minus 60. Remember, my first number is smaller than my second number, so I know my answer is automatically going to be negative. And if I subtract, I should get 48. Negative 48 is the answer here. Next one. Again, you should be trying these on your own. You really should be putting on pause to see if you can do this yourself. Okay, 11 times 7, parentheses first, 77. Bring everything else down. I'm going to do that exponent next. That's 3 times 3 times 3. That's 9. 9 times 3, 27. So that part right here is 27 plus 77 minus 43. Okay, so do your 27 plus 77 first. 27 plus 77. 7, 8, 9, 10, 104. So I have 104 minus 43. 104 minus 43. Okay, so I have a 1 here, changes that to 0, 61. My total answer here, 61. Last one for you. Oops. Here we go. Parentheses first. 29 plus 35. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 64. 64 divided by 2 squared. Of course, next you're going to do the exponent. 2 times 2 is 4. So really what I have is 64 divided by 4. Answer here, 16. Alright guys, that's all I'm doing for you today. I hope homework wasn't that bad for you. And tomorrow there's actually going to be a substitute. I'll be on a conference. So you have more problems of these to do on your own and with a substitute. And also for homework and probably a quiz on integers and order of operations on Friday. Alright, be good and I will see you then.